Hi, in this video I will walk you through your digital planner on a Samsung phone in a Samsung Notes app. So when you download your planner, your purchase from our website, you will get these instructions on how to download your planner. So let's just quickly go through the process of importing your planner and stickers, and then I will walk you through the planner itself. So here you will be able to choose, on the first page you will be able to choose if you wish to use the pink or cream phone planner. You can download both if you like. And also the stickers. For GoodNotes, these are stickers only for iPhone. You are required to download this file called stickers for other apps. We will come to that later. This time we will choose a pink phone planner, and the phone that you are be using in this case is Samsung phone. So let's choose that and click here to download the planner. So we are downloaded the pink planner for Samsung Notes app. We made the phone planners available only for Samsung Notes on Samsung phones and only for GoodNotes on iPhones, simply because after extensive research and trying out various apps, we have come to the conclusion that these two are the only apps and the only two devices that for now we would recommend these types of planners to be used. Here I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can use any other Samsung phone that supports Samsung Notes app, so it's not required that it's this phone that has the S Pen, because you can easily use the type tool and type in your planner. So let's download the planner. In this process of the download, you will be taken to the Dropbox. You do not need to get the app. You can just continue to website or close this window here, and here are the two files for Monday and Sunday week start for the pink planner for Samsung Notes. So depending if you prefer for your week to start with Monday or Sunday, choose the planner file, and once you click on it and click here download, internet, whatever. Okay, the file is downloaded. Let's open the file, and it will instantly import the file in the Samsung Notes app because it recognizes Samsung Notes format. So let's just go back quickly and I will show you how to extract your stickers. So when we are on the main menu and we choose stickers for other apps, in this case, again, skip this and just say that you want to download this. Here, stickers, you can already preview them. What we would like is to download this complete folder. So let's download the folder with all the stickers. Just 3 dots in top right corner, and let's download the stickers. So when the stickers are downloaded, you can open this file, and because it's a zip archive that has inside hundreds and hundreds of stickers, we choose extract, and you can name it differently if you like, and let's just extract. All of the stickers are being extracted now, and later we will be able to access these extracted stickers in our internal storage and download folder and import in the planner. So let's go back to the planner. I'm sorry for my custom theme here. This is supposed to be the icon for Samsung Notes. So open the Samsung Notes on your phone, and find your planner. I already have here imported Monday is Sunday week start for the cream planner, and Monday is Sunday week start for the pink planner. So for example, let's open this cream digital planner in Monday week start, and here is our planner. You can choose here if you prefer to, in page view, prefer to swipe the pages like this or like this. Also, you can choose full screen so you can see the entire planner. You can use this mode when you just want to preview your planner, and when you wish to write in the planner, you need to click this pencil icon here, even though you would not be using a pencil. This is your edit mode, and here are your writing tools. You can use different text tools, and when you click here, you can use the pencil. In this case, we have S Pen, but as I said, you can use text tool to write in this planner. So let's go back to this preview mode of the planner, even pardon, full screen mode, so I can show you how to navigate this planner. So digital planners include hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allow you to navigate your planner easily. They connect different pages of the planner. So when you are on this calendar page, you can click on any month, week, or day to navigate your planner to those specific pages in the planner. So let's just zoom in here so you can see. You can always, even when not zoom in, you can tap anywhere. It's okay, but I will just zoom it in here. So let's go to the monthly page of January, and here is our January page. As you can see, you can preview your entire month here, and you can fill in your work to-do list and personal to-do list for this month. Also, let me just okay, sorry. So if you wish to go back from this monthly page or any other page in the planner to the calendar page, you just need to click on the year. And this works from any other page in the planner. When you click on the year, you're back on this calendar page, and you can choose again different month, day, or week. So we were on the monthly page. You see how the links work pretty quickly. And you can jump around the planner. Even if it has hundreds of pages, you can jump around the planner very quickly and easily. When you click on any of these days, for example, if we click here on January 7th, we will be taken to Saturday, January 7th, daily planner page. And as you can see, the daily page has the daily schedule and to-do list. This is a small format planner, but we made this layout very functional for this small format. And as you will see later, if you have, in addition to your phone, if you have Samsung Tab, you can sync your Samsung Notes between your Samsung Tab, like this one here. I have S8, Tab S8, and you will see how I can open and edit this same file from my and preview this same file from my Samsung Tab as well. So all of your devices with Samsung Notes app will be able to preview and edit this planner file. So let's just preview our weekly page as well. From this small calendar, you can also click on the month, on any day of that month, and these are the weeks. So let's click on the week, and we are on the weekly page of the planner. Here you have space to write something down, import some stickers, and just have your entire week at a glance. And if you want to see each of these days in detail, just click on the day, and you will see the daily schedule and to-do list for that day. So this planner is also available. This is a cream layout theme, and there is also the pink purple one. You can of course use both if you prefer. Let's just for a second show you how to work with writing tools in Samsung Notes. I will just show this quickly because in time you will, if you haven't used much of Samsung Notes so far, in time you will learn all of its features. I will cover some basic ones here. So if we click here again, I will see my writing tools. Now here the text tool is selected. So you have here various options for text. When you click, it will always take you to far left corner of the page. What you have to do in that case is hold and add text box, because text box you can move around anywhere on the page and create your lists and write down your schedules. So let's just make it the width that we want, and let's choose the font, let's say 20. The thing with Samsung Notes as opposed to GoodNotes app on iPhone, where you can use any font to write your text, for now there is an option to only use one font in Samsung Notes app, but hopefully that will be updated. Of course, besides this, you can use your S Pen if you have one. I will show that later. So here we have, this is a list, etc., and just add new line each time. I have found that for this list the font size of 20 fits the best with the line height. If after some time the text moves a bit, you just need to start a new text box and it will fit nicely again. Or you can make text box for every line and then just copy the text box for every new line. And the great thing about this is also once you set up your text box or many text boxes, you don't have to do it every time. Once you set up, we have set up the list here, and for example in the schedule we set up a few more. Then we go here and use this selection tool, and with this selection tool, and now because I'm on a phone with the S Pen, I cannot use my finger for specific tools, so I have to use my S Pen. If you do not have S Pen, you will be able to do this only with your finger. It's very easy. In this case, I just select this and I can copy it, and I can go to the next page and use this. So I paste it here. I can paste with my finger. I paste it here, my text box that's already formatted the way I want it, and just type new text for the next day. So if you of course wish to write using your S Pen, what's also great is that if you have both the Samsung Tab and the Samsung phone with the S Pen, did you know that you can use this regular size S Pen from your tab? You can use it on your phone, but only while this pencil is pulled out. So for example here, let's choose this pen tool, and hello. So this is great. Also, you see when you're using the pen tool, right, you do not have to choose the eraser tool. There is this button here on the pencil. While you hold it, it turns the pencil into eraser. So that's great too. These are some tips regarding on how to fill in your planner. If you wish this font to be smaller, in that case, for example, let's make it smaller, 17, so you can write more. But in this case you will notice that the spacing between the lines is not great. It's not fitting these lines. For now, this app does not allow us to adjust the width, the height, the lines between the text. So that's something that's possible on iPhone apps on GoodNotes, but not here. Hopefully, Samsung will update that soon too. I'm pretty sure. In that case, as I mentioned before, just write one line in the text box, and let's take I will just show you a quick trick here. So we made one line in a smaller font, and let's just copy it. So copy the entire text box here. So say copy, and with finger paste it below, so like this. Now we have two lines, and the same way you can now take these two, copy and paste below, etc. And when you wish to change up this text, also this little blue thing here, we can fix that by making it, I think, a bit bigger or not. So yeah, hopefully, I'm expecting from Samsung Notes to do some of these updates. So adjusting, the font that you want and spacing between the lines, I believe that will be, done very soon. But as it is, this is for now the best PDF annotation app, for planners on Samsung phones and on Android in general. We really tried many, and this is the only one that we could recommend for this purpose. So basically, for making lists, I would just recommend to use the font settings on 20, make a text box. So your type tool is here. Again, hold, sorry to recognize some text here from the page. So add text box, so hold when the text tool is active, and when you add the text box, then you can move it around and make your lists. And finally, the feature of this digital planner is also the possibility to add reminders from this digital planner directly into your Google Calendar. Since this is Android operating system, it's not possible to directly link this planner with the Google Calendar app. These links from the planner will only allow you to open the Google Calendar in your default browser, but you will also be able that way to add the reminders in the planner. So for example, this is January 5th at 10 a.m. and we want to add a reminder. And when we click there, your browser will open this reminder setting that's already, set January 5th at 10 a.m. All you have to do is just write your title and maybe choose how and when to be notified. Is it going to be a notification on your device or email, etc.? You can, of course, set these values on your Google account to some default that you prefer, and just write the title. You can adjust these times by clicking here if you need to, 15 minutes before or after, just writing your title and save your reminder. And this reminder will be saved to your Google account. When you open it for the first time, you will have to log into your Google account from the browser, from your default browser. And of course, all of the notification and previews, everything will be saved, and you will be able to, look it up in your Google Calendar app. But these links from the planner will always open Google Calendar in a browser only on Android devices or Samsung, like here. So let's go back to our planner. Just click back in the planner. Basically, what's left now is for me to show you how to use stickers. One more thing here that you have in the planner before the stickers. Let's just click this page icon in top right corner, and here you will see your notes section. When you click each of these, you can title them and just have some quick notes there. Also, from these every page of the planner, there are these two additional icons. They'll also open your Google Calendar in a browser. This one will show you December 31st 2023 in your Google Calendar. So we click here. Here is your December 31st 23 in your Google Calendar, so you can easily see if your Google Calendar matches your planner this way, or maybe you forgot to add some reminder or something. And if we click here, we should be able to see our agenda, so all of the upcoming scheduled events will be shown here. The only thing that shows here on my account now is my recurring weekly reminder to water my plant. Of course, from the planner you will be from the point in time where you click this agenda icon, so this one here in the middle. So for example, if we are, let's go back to April and click here, April, and from the 1st April you can see all of the upcoming scheduled events at a glance. That's really great, and you can do it directly from your digital planner. Just click here and go back to your planner. So let's just see here how to add some stickers. So let's go to a daily page, for example, and we want to add an image. You need to find this image in your download folder, so go to files. I already have some stickers showing here because we extracted them before, so it's showing them as the recent files. If you need to find them specifically, if you have other recent files here, you can always go to downloads and find your stickers folder. Here are the stickers, so we choose any of these cute stickers here. So I choose this teddy, and here's the teddy bear. And there is also here one option, it throws the picture back here. There is an option just to say remove anchored text. I think it's that one, and we can move it around. So yeah, these are the two things to remember. So when you import the sticker, maybe this setting turn off this anchor to text is not turned off. So click on the image, 3 dots here, and just make sure anchor to text is turned off, so you can move it and resize and move this sticker around your planner. Also, just to remind you once again, when you use the typing tool, it will always go far left. Just hold it and add text box, and then when you have the text box, you can use it to write "Have a great day." Of course, you can change the color and the font background and the color. Oh, I just need to have this selected, and you can highlight the background, and of course you have a highlighter tool here as well. You can change the background of the font, the color of the font. Hopefully you will soon be able to install some and use some other custom fonts that you like. Just finally to show you how this planner looks on your Samsung tab. So here we are on S8, and you have something open. You're working on something and you want to preview your planner, and your phone is not close to you or whatever. You just take the Samsung Notes app and hold it, drag it here to the end of the screen, and you can adjust its size. And here's the planner we used. You just see this was Monday cream planner. I think it's the same. We are on January 5th. Let's see, just is this Samsung iCloud? Yes, it's Samsung Cloud already updated this too. So I was doing something here and it updated on my Samsung Notes on my tab, and also while you're on Samsung tab, you can, continue editing this planner, and it will show on your phone. I think this the Samsung Notes app. So on your tab, we are now on the tab. So we click here, we can edit. And as for the fonts, click here. Yeah, it's the same thing. Hopefully they will add more font options in the future. All of the features are really great. So a few years ago, I would not recommend using digital planners in Samsung Notes, but now I can see the app improved greatly, and that's why I have created this planner, so it can work on both iPhones and Samsung phones. Hopefully we will discover, or some new great PDF annotation apps will come to Android. Hopefully GoodNotes app, that's the greatest PDF annotation app for on iOS and used on all Apple devices. Hopefully it comes to Android and Windows too soon, because now it's in the beta testing, and soon you will be able to use these planners on other phones and devices with GoodNotes app. So that was it. If you have any more questions, write on our website or in the comments below. Thanks.